Welcome to another video and welcome to the channel. It's Saturday, 13th December 2025, and tonight it's the Rolling Thunder Charity Tractor Run. And it's all for charity, to raise money and donate toys for the Children's Hospital in Stoke. We hope you enjoy the video, and please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.
Welcome to another video. Welcome to the channel. It is Saturday, the 13th of December 2025, and tonight is the Biddle Moor Rolling Thunder Tractor Run, and all the funds are going to the Children's Hospital at Royal Stoke. I also have a Just Giving page, which I'll put up on the video right now for you. So if you enjoyed the video, donate to them on the GoFundMe page. They're at the usual position. They should be coming around this corner. I think they depart the Rose and Crown in Biddulph at 5 PM. They've got a tracker, and it's a cold night, it's a dry night. It's about 7 Celsius. Also, you guys can donate toys if you go onto the Facebook page, Rolling Tractors Facebook page, and you'll see there's 4 locations. I think they're all pubs. And if you go over onto Facebook, Rolling Thunder Tractor Charity Run, there are 4 locations where you can actually donate toys. I think they're all pubs, and one of them is the Rose and Crown. Right, I've got the hood up. It's gone really cold now. So tonight we're using the iPhone 17 Pro Max with the 8x zoom, and we should be getting some fabulous footage for you guys. While we're just waiting for the tractor run to come, have you checked out our other videos so far? We did a super video last night at Biddulph Grange, and that'll definitely get you in the Christmas spirit. Check that one out. And while we're waiting, we've also done a really amazing rate the Christmas tree video. Check that one out, where we visit quite a few different Christmas trees and rate them and see how they go. We've got so much more to come for Christmas for you. We've got London next week. That should be pretty cool. We're going to show you all the Christmas lights along Oxford Street, Regent Street, and of course we'll go see the King, Buckingham Palace. Right then, we've got 5 minutes to go. So just to let you know where we are, we're on Pennyfields Road, which is there, and then onto High Street here in Newchapel, and they're going to head towards Mowcop that way. Right then, 5:05 it is now, and they are rolling. They're coming down Leek Road from Biddulph Moor. Right then, a little update. It's now past, so they've been going for 30 minutes, and there is a few people starting to get ready. I'm looking at the tracker. The tracker doesn't seem to be working that well. I am so cold, so I'm going to remember next year I don't really need to get here quite as early, but we definitely don't want to miss it for you guys. Right, good news. I can hear the horns. Get ready for the Rolling Thunder anytime now. Yep, everybody's getting ready. Right then, I can see flashing lights, I can hear the horns. Here we go, guys. Hope you enjoy the video, and remember, give me a big thumbs up. Yeah, if I zoom in, you can see they are heading this way. So that's going to be the lead truck. Ah, there's always a van. Look at that. Beautiful truck. Wow, just look at these. These are absolutely fabulous. The tractor just pulled over there a little bit. Wow, look at the lights on that one. Nice. at the wheels on that one. That was incredible. Love the revving of the trucks there. That's amazing. Let me know in the comments, which is your favourite tractor? This is just a fabulous time of the year. Merry Christmas, everybody. Look at that one. Wow. Nice. Got the sand trap on as well. Like a tank that one was. Wow. Who's in this? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer and like a Santa lady there. Ah, let's look at that. There's certainly a lot in the charity run today, and all for the children's hospital. Look at that lit up. Wow. Wow. Everyone's giving us a wave. Santa actually driving that one. Wow, look at that. That's pretty amazing. Loving it. Merry Christmas itself on there. So we've got pretty much everything. We've got vans, four-wheel drives, wow, look at that one. That's got sirens on it. Pretty cool. Look at all the flags, all the British flags. Santa and the sleigh there. From what I remember, there's more than last year. Wow, there's like a skeleton driving well, in the passenger seat on the other one there. So I like where this tractor's kind of like blocked Pennyfields Road, allowing all the tractors to remain in sync. Can't tell you how cold my hands are now. Wow, look at this one. So there is another tractor parade next Sunday, but you're going to miss that because we're in London. So that goes right through the centre of Kidsgrove. Wow, there are so many tractors. This is fantastic, isn't it? Definitely getting you in the Christmas spirit. Look at that. Santa at the front. I wonder how many tractors there is in the parade today. Look at that one. I like that one. Snowman at the end. And it looks as though we are almost coming to an end. Yeah, this is the end vehicle. Look at that. That's amazing, isn't it? Look at that. What a fabulous experience. Right then guys, if you've enjoyed the video today, give me a big thumbs up, give Nick a paws up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a hype. Merry Christmas everyone, hope you enjoyed it. We will see you on the next Vlogmas video real soon. Thanks for watching guys.